How to show you're listening to Spotify on Discord. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Discord. Simply log into your account and then you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on U option located on bottom right corner of your screen. After you've clicked on U, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. In here, simply click on Settings icon, which is located on top right. Then in here, click on Connections, which is below Devices. Click on Add located on top right corner of your screen and search for Spotify in this list. Click on Spotify and it will lead you to different page. Simply log into your Spotify in here. After you've logged in and agreed to terms and conditions, you're good to go. Simply open Discord and then click on Display on your profile and turn on Display Spotify as your status. After that, you're good to go. This is how to show you're listening to Spotify on Discord. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophie signing off until next time.